Hello, part 61 of our tutorial deals with creating a tree view. To create this tree view we have used a flat structure with parent and child relationships. We have defined a color and also a selectable color property. There are some items in the tree view that are disabled, some with icons and others not. To get and set the selected nodes we use the V model. Each time the selection changes, we update a paragraph with the JSON string of the selected keys. We have made the nodes to be clickable. This activates the activate status and fires an update active event. We have trapped this to show a snack bar. In our source code, we created a container with 4 rows. On the first row we add the paragraph and on the second row we add a tree view with a V model. We give the tree view some properties like hoverable, selectable, etc. We then start by adding each node using a parent-child relationship. With a blank parent, the node will sit on the root of the tree view. We later explode this flat structure into a tree structure to build the tree view. When we click each item, the update active event is fired. We show the selection via a snack bar.